Start.
Alright, another skill we're going to learn in this unit is converting mixed radical to entire radicals. Let's look at some example. So mixed radical to entire radical, so you want to turn a whole number back into a radical. So for example, how can you turn a 2 into a radical? Well, 2 is root 4. So this is how you make a whole number into a radical. Let's try another one. You can also turn a 2 into a cube root. For example, cube root of 8 is a 2. Well, how do we do that? If you want to put a 2 into a cube root, what you need to do is you cube the 2 so that when you do a cube root, it's the same number, right? 2, you cube it, and cube root is like it cancel out, so you still have the same number. And then now the 2 cube here become an 8. Okay, so this is how you turn any number into a radical. So generally, we have this formula. If you have a whole number, you just xn and then nth root, you are turning that into a radical. Let's look at another example. If I have a 5, want to make it into a cube root, what do I do? 5 cube and then cube root. Then I have cube root of 125. Even if I work with fraction, if I have 2/3, I want to turn it into a cube root, what do I do? Well, first you cube 2/3 and then you cube root 2/3. The result. So you are still working with the same number, but now you're changing the form from whole number to radical. Now you resolve this. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 3 to the power of 3 is 27. So 2/3 is same as cube root of 8 over 27. Now let's try the example. Turning mixed radical to entire radical. I want to turn 5 to root 2, a mixed radical, to an entire radical. So let's turn a 5 into a radical. 5 into a radical is 25. And the rule we have is root A, root B become root AB, so just combine them. This is how you do it. Okay. Now let's try another one. It's a fraction. It's a square root, so I just want to square everything, put it inside a square root sign. See? This is same as 3 over 2. And I put an 8 here. Multiply them, become 8 and 4 cancel out, 2, 9, 18. All right? One more example. How about higher power? 2 cube root of 2 converted to entire radical, which means no more whole number, everything inside the root. Okay? So I turn it into cube root. So what you can do is with the 2 is you can put a cube root there to find out what number will work. Okay? So 2 become that, this become this one. Well, this tell me this is actually an 8. Right? 8 is, a cube root of 8 is a 2. Finally, as long as the index is the same, you can combine them. 8 and 2 together become 16. Root A times root B is root AB. Last example, now I have 4th root. So what do? I turn a 3 into 4th root, which gives me 81. Okay, 81 4th root is a 3. So therefore, 3 turn into 4th root 81. This is 4th root 5. Now you can combine them. This multiplied by that. Here we go.